Hey guys, Emily here with Mom Bear Reviews, and today we are back with another review video. This is a must-have for winter. I love it all year round, but especially with these dry winter months, you need these in each of your rooms, but especially your bedrooms. So let's check it out. So we're going to talk about humidifiers. I love humidifiers, especially for my skin. My skin gets so dry in the winter, and it just helps bring moisture back into the air. It helps, if you have dry skin, especially on your face, it helps bring the moisture back so it doesn't dry your skin out as bad, especially if you're running the heater all winter, then you definitely need a humidifier. I have one in the kids' room. I have one in our bedroom. I'm looking for a big one for like the living room, kitchen area. But so far, I put one in my kids' room first. I love humidifiers for when they get sick. That is like my must have. I run the humidifier with a few drops of essential oils to kind of loosen up all that mucus and stuff. But I love it in our bedroom for the dry skin aspect. So we are going to be reviewing the Canopy 4-in-1 humidifier, and we're going to dive into this bad boy and let you know what I don't like about it, what I do love about it, and whether you or not you should get it for yourself. So Canopy did send this to me. They sent it in like a sick daycare package with no obligation to post about it. They sent me one last year for the kids, and I loved it. Like, I was obsessed with it, and I was very fortunate enough for them to send another one this year in a like sick day care package. But I generally was so excited because I love this humidifier. I recommend it to everybody because of their certain perks about it. So this one, I love that you can fill with tap water. Some of them require like distilled water or filtered water. This one you can fill with tap water because there is a filter in it, right? I will take it apart and let you guys know. It is dishwasher safe, which means it is so easy to clean. I used to have the Crane humidifier, and I do love the Crane one. I've talked about it before on Instagram, which if you're not following me, definitely go follow me. It's more day-to-day life stuff and just fun little like quick reviews. But anyways, I loved the Crane humidifier. It was one of the ones that didn't leave water everywhere. But what I didn't love about the Crane humidifier is it's such a pain in the butt to clean. It is so annoying to clean because you can't get in it, like to clean it. So I ended up getting mold on it, and I had to throw it away, and they're expensive to throw away, you guys. Like, I can't be buying a new one every 6 months or whatever. So I love that this is dishwasher safe. Throw it in the dishwasher, sanitize it, clean it, all that. You can, like I said, you can use tap water. It is mold inhibiting. So like I said, the way it's built, you could clean it easy. Mist free, so it's not going to leave you that, it's not going to get all the surroundings wet. I have it in the girls' room right next to their Alexa. I have mine next to mine. I have mine next to my Alexa. I'm whispering so they don't all go off. I have mine on my desk, my like laptops underneath the shelf. Like, it does not create water around it at all, which I love. And it has a filter in it. So this bad boy, this comes in white. You can get it at Target. I will link it down below. It even says easy breathing, better sleep, and healthy skin. What I love is it's actually not just a humidifier. It is a humidifier. It has a light on it. So like this part glows. So it has a night light, humidifier, white noise machine, and it has a diffuser. You don't need anything else. You need nothing else. 4-in-1. I essentially could get rid of 3 things. I ended up getting rid of in the girls' room because they had a white noise machine, a nightlight, a humidifier, and a diffuser with the oils. And I essentially got rid of 3 things with this one product. So game changer, especially if you are tight on space or you just want something that's like has it all, right? Like, who wants 4 different things on your nightstand? Nobody got time for that. So like I said, this thing is just spot on. See down there, it shows that this part lights up and it is red. The only bad thing, you cannot change the color. So that is kind of a bad thing. But the red is what you're supposed to if you sleep with a nightlight. Like, red is very calming to the eyes. It's not going to wake you up. It's not going to like really shine through your eyelid. So it is beneficial for you. So let's open this up. So when you take it out of the box, it looks like this. This is mine from my bedroom. I had to dump the water out. The water fills up in here. This easily comes off. Big opening, which like I said, if you have tiny hands, you can fit your hand in there or at least a brush, like one of those bottle brushes, and clean this out. So this is a big tank. I think it said it was, let me see, it is a 2.5 liter tank, 24-hour runtime, which is amazing. So you fill this bad boy up. This lasts me a solid 2 nights, and I leave it on all day long. Definitely probably over 24 hours because during the day I put it on the low setting, and at night I turn it up to the second highest setting, so it's a little bit more of a white noise. Fill this up, snaps right on in there. Plug it in. It plugs in with a USB-C, and you're ready to go. Buttons on the top, so there's three different settings. The 24-hour runtime, and then there is, it tells you when it's out of water, when the filter needs to be replaced, and obviously the light switch right here. So I can't I'll insert clips of it running so you can hear the white noise and all that. Obviously I unplugged it to show you guys. So also the diffuser part. So there's like a little spot right here. If you get the diffuser tab and the essential oils are sold separately, but it comes in this little, my kids have one. So it comes with this little like disc thing, and you just pour your essential oils right on top. Like it sits in here. So it sits right on top of that. You pour a couple drops, fill this little thing up with the essential oils, and that's it. You're not dumping it into here, which makes it that much easier to clean because it's not oily residue inside, and it's not going to ruin the humidifier. I love using the Frida Baby Breathe Frida Vapor drops. I also have some Young Living drops that I use, the Sniffle, Kid Sniffle. You can buy their version. It's called Little Dreams. There is a Rise one, which is sweet orange and eucalyptus. And then they have a lavender vanilla one for nighttime. So they do sell these. They smell fine. They work. Like I said, you just pour 5 to 6 drops on it. You can switch the scents and puck, and you could have a puck for different scents if you wanted to. That puck right there, I have more of like the Breathe Easy kind of ones because I use it when they're a little stuffy. But overall, it's all sold separately, so you can get as many discs as you want. But like I said, I love this. It does have a little bit of a bigger blueprint, like it, but it's like 4-in-1. So I will take this part off so I can show you the filter. Oh, look at that. I have only had this running for probably like a week, but look at this filter, you guys. Like, it literally traps all the nasty, like all the nasty. This comes out to be replaced. You can replace all that, and then that's the tray. So it just sits here. It's pretty clean. Like I said, there's only a few little like nastiness, and then this just pops back on. Trying to do that pops back on, and then you just slide the water tank. Super easy to put together, super easy to clean it out. You can wipe everything down so it doesn't get moldy. Overall, I really, really like this, hence why I was so grateful when I got when I got this second one sent to me, because I love this humidifier. Like I said, I've had many humidifier and diffusers over the years, and I love that this is literally all in one. I love that it's, mold free, easy to use, has white noise, has the nightlight, has the humidifier. Like, it's just the all-in-one perfect thing. It would be an amazing baby shower gift. If you have a baby shower to go to, definitely pick this up. They won't even know they need this. Perfect, it even says it's perfect for nurseries or bedrooms. Yep, nursery friendly, aroma diffusing, like I said. Comes in this adorable little thing. Pediatrician recommended, dermatologist recommended. Just keep your skin glowy and hydrated this winter, because there's nothing worse than dry, cracked skin when you wake up and you're like, ah. Anyways, highly, highly recommend. Perfect gift for any occasion. Let me know what brand you guys like in the comments. Let me know if you use a humidifier or if this inspired you to possibly get one, because I will say it is life-changing for the skin. So if you've tried every moisturizer and every cream out there and you're still waking up with dry skin, get yourself a humidifier. Definitely recommend the Canopy one. You can get it at Target. I will link it down below. Make sure and give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.